Good morning. In judgment, Pankaj Jain vs Union of India 2018-2 Supreme Court 104, the Supreme Court had an occasion to discuss what the word may denotes. They have deeply discussed along with the principle of statutory interpretation, 14th evidence of Justice G.P. Singh. They say the enabling words may, it shall be lawful, shall have power coupled with duty. They have also discussed Lord Keynes Julius versus Lord Bishop of Oxford for in judgment, and finally said that under section 88 the court can issue summons even against the persons who are not party to the proceedings by issuing summons. Again, under section 91, Nitya Dharmananda alias K. Lenin versus Sri Gopal Sriram Reddy, AR 2018-1, Supreme Court 170. The section 91 CRPC enables the accused to issue summons to produce some materials. The court has held that it is not necessary that the final report filed by the prosecution alone be produced, but if you have some reasons for production of certain document which have sterling capacity, you can summon it, because that withholding of those documents may prejudice your defense. Finally, then 102 CRPC deals with Indian Oil Corporation versus Sashi Prabhu Shukla 2018-1 Supreme Court 208, as well as Tista Atul Stewart versus State of Gujarat 2018-1 Supreme Court 222, wherein the Supreme Court held that while seizing the bank account, there need not be any show cause notice or prior notice, but at the same time, the person against whom the seizure of bank account was ordered can apply for defreezing the said amount after the procedures of seizure has been completed. This was discussed in Others Cooperative Housing Society Limited, Union of India versus Others, 2012 Criminal Law Journal 520 Bombay. Kindly go through that. And in Indian Oil Corporation case, they say the police officer under section 102 CRPC can seize not only the accused property or bank account, but also if they suspect that the money was siphoned through some other agency or person, still the investigating officer can issue direction to the bank to seize the bank account, despite the fact that the person against whom the freezing account was ordered is not a party to the criminal proceedings, nor his name is available in the FIR. So all these judgment, kindly go through, and the reason given by the Supreme Court was that since the people are indulging in illegal gratifications and other scams and diverting the fund to some other persons, to deprecate those practice and to put an end to that, this judgment was delivered. Kindly go through this. Best wishes.